Hey guys, I'm Sneha and you are watching my channel Book Junction. Welcome to today's video. In today's video, I'm going to create an art journal spread that is very much beginner friendly. Sometimes I find the inspiration on Pinterest, the other times I'm inspired by the things around me. I created this spread based on my relationship with music, so you can also create an art journal spread on any topic whatsoever. So I really hope that you will enjoy today's video. For today's art journal spread, I'm using these pink washi tapes. I have shown these in my stationery haul video as well. If you haven't watched that video, you can watch that. And I have taped the edges and I've created these geometrical designs. Then I'm using Camel's watercolor tubes. Now usually I prefer acrylic colors because they are really shiny, but I think most people have watercolor at their home, so that's why I'm using this one today. I'm trying to create some pastel shades of blue, purple and green. And then I painted these geometrical shapes with each color. I think this design is very easy and beginner friendly. If you're not good at art but you want to create something because of how therapeutic it is, then you can definitely create this design. I've also painted my desk with this design because it's just so simple. And finally, the most relaxing moment is when you peel off the tapes. The clean edges come out and it's just so satisfying. Then I'm using these craft papers. I've shown these craft papers in my stationery haul as well, so if you want to have a closer look, you can watch that video. By the way, in case you want to buy any of these stationery items, I have provided all the Amazon links in the description box. So if you want to buy these items, you can click on the link and purchase them. Now I'm just layering these elements over here. And I like crumpling up the paper because it gives a really nice look to the whole spread. If you don't like this, you can definitely skip. I think layering is very personal and you should always do it the way you want to, and this is also my favorite part of art journaling. I'm writing this note to Sylvia Plath because I was reading her poetry in the past few days and I loved them. I think I connect with her words so much, so this was just a tiny note to her. Then I'm writing two of her quotes over here to fill up this space. I've written down the names of some of her greatest poems and collections on these paper strips that I will be sticking over here on these geometrical shapes with the help of a double-sided tape. I'm using a double-sided tape because this will give the whole thing a very 3D effect. Because of the double-sided tape, the paper strip will pop up and it will give it a very three-dimensional look. That's what I think. I don't know if you feel the same or not. And our journal spread is ready. I feel like it's so simple and so beginner friendly. If you don't want to invest in washi tapes, then you can just color the edges of the paper with the help of a sketch pen, or you can doodle some design. So yes, this is the spread. I really hope that you all enjoyed this video and found it valuable. If you did, then definitely like, share and subscribe to my channel. It will mean a lot to me, and I will see you in my next video. Until then, bye bye.